Hi, it's Erin here from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm here at the Luxaflex showroom to pick all the window coverings for my house.
Well, I'm going to help guide you through some of the beautiful Luxaflex window coverings for your home.
Where should we start?
Let's start at the front here with the beautiful pirouette shade.
With all of my window coverings, I'm a big fan of either room blockout or room darkening or all these different things.
So that's the best part about the pirouette is you get to choose the amount of privacy and light that comes in just with operating those vanes to open and close. The duet shades, they're the honeycomb cell design, and this one here is in blockout.
That's right. So the blockout is actually in this honeycomb section here, isn't it?
That's exactly
how the mechanism works.
So that'll make sure that you have no light coming through, just exactly what you wanted. So Erin, here we are here. We have the Luxaflex Power View motorisation in the duet.
Yes, the beautiful duet.
So with a simple press of a button, you can actually open and close the blinds. How amazing is that?
Oh, I can just see this. So in our son's bedroom, there's actually 3 window coverings in the room. So we would have those all motorised, yes, all go up at the same time.
Perfect.
So Jess, these are the blockout curtains. I could nearly pick it today. I love this fabric, but this is 100% blockout, isn't it?
It sure is. So you won't have any light coming through whatsoever.
You really do need to look and feel and touch it in the showroom. It's so good coming in today.
I agree.
It's so important. This product here, the MagnaTrack, is what I have pictured in my mind for this outdoor space of ours. We want to be able to block that westerly sun.
The best part about our MagnaTrack is that it is Australia's strongest awning on the market. So you really are investing your money into something that's quality driven as well.
This is definitely it.
I think this is going to be a perfect choice for those outdoor areas.
So thanks so much, Jess, for showing me around today.
My pleasure, Erin.
I've got a greater understanding of all the different products I need. I think I'm nearly ready to order.
Most of our Luxaflex products are actually made in Australia, and in specific, this MagnaTrack is, so we can get this to you in a quicker turnaround time. So let us know when you're ready for that. We'll get it in quickly.
Amazing. I love things turning around quickly.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Jess. Bye.
Have a good one. Bye-bye.